s'arrêter pour prendre un autre café. On peut visiter un peu ensemble. On peut faire visiter le village à Nil. Qu'est-ce que tu penses?
Okay. As you wish, man.
C'est nice.
Well, put that now, shut up, get up. I'm a real hunting rammer, lucky pop, I'm a mucky 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 pop, I'm a pop. Ow, don't take drugs and give it, blew up, bastard, people, I'm a lucky pop, I'm a mucky 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 pop, I'm a fuck my Joe.
Yeah, but some people who's gonna watch the video, they're gonna think that we are somewhere else, probably.
We're in Italy.
Oh, it's a surprise.
We're still in Italy, yes.
Alright, yeah.
Believe it or not, we're still in Italy.
Alright. You better believe, because it's very, very beautiful. And very, very high.
Who's very high? You're high?
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone is high?
Yeah. Very high.
Very high. Okay.
So Attila, what's that music?
Sorry?
What's that music?
Country music.
It's a what?
Country.
Country. I should answer some questions like what's the good and what's the bad about that country. Well, food is excellent. Beers you may drink even without putting them in the fridge. Trains are not punctual. Don't forget as well it's a Catholic country. Mentality are very Catholic, even in the bloody mountains. And the God we trust, you know. They know what the man is all about, you know. They see when you feel good, and they're honest. I must say, yeah. Italian people are very honest.
Il est bon, hein. Il est bon, il est bon, il est bon, hein. Attention. Perdre la tête.
Oui, parce que c'est trop avevo.
Ha una gigante camera fotografica.
Mais c'est pas pour moi.